Ladies and gentlemen, I am at Mercy Robes. This is Bishop Designate Quincy Lavelle Carswell II, and I am preparing to unbox one of their finest handmade Italian Croziers. As you see, it's still in the packaging, still here, and so we are unboxing for the very first time one of their finest Croziers. When I saw the picture online, I had to come immediately to Mercy Robes headquarters and see it for myself. So here it is, very first time. As you see the packaging, it comes in this brilliant black leather suitcase, brilliantly packaged. Look at the quality of this leather. You know it's something special inside of this suitcase. And so we're just going to pop this open here. So here it is, this beautiful, beautiful casing. You have to have the key to unlock it. You have to have the key to unlock it. So here we go. Here it is. One of a kind, as you see, it's packaged with care. Oh my goodness. This is like Christmas. And there's a weight on it as well. Beautiful handmade Italian Crozier. Silver and gold finishes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Only at Mercy Robes. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. There you have it.